dear children, we were discussing about the animals and those animals who are extincted. Extincted means which are not now existing, and those uh, means these animals are called extincted animals or endangered animals. Endangered matlab which are in the brink of being non-existent, means they might be lost forever. One extincted means lost forever, and endangered means they might be lost forever. Okay, we were talking about birds, animals surrounding us which were earlier seen but nowadays which are not seen. Those students who are living in the IT campus, they may find out several birds which are in their surroundings. Birds and animals like there are a lot of birds you can find out, and you may make list uh, of those birds which are easily seen uh, uh, in your surrounding areas. Okay, but those students who are living outside of the IT campus, where even trees are not easily seen, it's very uh, disappointing that people used to make big houses, but they do not like to plant a tree near to that house. And I will encourage everyone that please plant tree, because trees are your life. Okay, we can also talk about the list of animals. You can tell any animal which you have earlier seen and now it is not seen. You may say easily vulture. Talk to your parents that how vulture looks.
वल्चर का नहीं यहाँ पे
Vulture and kite, and there are several animals
चिंपैंजी
like uh,
वाइनस
endangered list. Hmm? Hmm, hmm, hmm. Ah, like like white tiger, Indian lion. These are completely extincted animals, and chimpanzee, whale. These are endangered animals. You have also listened about dinosaurs, right? Dinosaurs के बारे में सुना है. Everyone has listened and even seen in the movie. It is an extincted animal. Mammoth is an extincted animal. I am going to show pictures of few animals which you can find easily whether they are whether you can identify or not. These animals are extincted animals. Find out and write their names. Can you identify? Okay,
पूरी आगे बोलो
so
now you have seen
now you have seen about few extincted and endangered animals. You can also write separate list for extincted animals and endangered animals. I have also told about the difference. Extincted means which are completely uh, lost, and uh, endangered means which are in verge of being lost. Okay, so we have also uh, we have also seen one video which came from Kerala. Have you seen it? Yes, about one elephant. People of one what I can say, that one person who have committed this type of crime, the cruelty towards animal, uh, elephant, that he uh, he put crackers in the pineapple, and elephant used to eat very much, and she has done so, and what happened later on means she died. So such kind of events are not good for the perspective of animal as well as our environment and nature. So understand this. If anyone does so means cruelty towards the animal, first of all we should understand that we should not do so, and second thing, we can also stop, means at least we can prevent it uh, of doing so. Okay, in the last I want to also discuss one thing, that first your homework, okay, that I want to definitely tell. Make list of 5 endangered animals or birds, and paste and draw their picture. You may paste, but I used to prefer to draw if you can. Okay, endangered animals list and extincted animals list. Now I am also going to ask send this homework to your group. Okay, now the class is over.